जो वीडियो लेक्चर है वो लाइट चैप्टर का लेक्चर नंबर 5 है। इसके प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने जो डिस्कस किया हुआ वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय द कंट्रोल मिरर, बट इन दिस वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द इमेज बाय कन्वेक्स मिरर। इमेज फॉर्मेशन by convex mirror। ये image formation by convex mirror को we are going to study this, then there are only two cases. In first case object will situated at infinite, and the second condition is object will be situated between pole of the mirror and the infinite। इसका मतलब है कि जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट होगा वो इंफिनिटी एंड पोल ऑफ द मिरर के बिटवीन में होगा, मतलब बीच में होगा। सो यहाँ से फर्स्ट केस हम लोग लेकर चलते हैं, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट एट इंफिनिटी, देन हम लोग को यहाँ पर जो मिरर लेना है दैट मिरर शुड बी कन्वेक्स मिरर। एंड नाउ इफ वी टेक हियर द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, देन दिस इज द पोल ऑफ द मिरर व्हिच इज कन्वेक्स मिरर, एंड सपोज दैट object is situated at the infinity. Now I am taking here focus of the mirror F and center of curvature C, because we know that the center of curvature and the focus already is the right side to the mirror. Now if any ray of light is coming from infinity, and we can say that this line will be parallel to the principal axis. Now there are two rays of light which are coming from the infinite, and after the reflection it will go in this direction, but if we extend it in the back side of the mirror, then we can check that this line or ray of light will pass through the focus of the mirror. Now we can say that if object is at infinity, then image जो form होगा वो focus पर होगा, but this image will not be real because it's an imaginary image, and in the size it's a point image, so we cannot check all the nature about the image, like what is the size, what is the it is erect or inverted. We can't check this because this is the point image. So next case is that case number second, when object between pole and infinity. Now suppose that here we are taking a convex mirror, and we draw a principal axis. Now the focus will be right side and also center of curvature. Now we are taking here at a limited distance, that means between infinity and the pole of the mirror. We are taking here an object A, B. Now according to the ray diagram, first ray will go parallel to the principal axis, and after the reflection it passes through the focus is when any ray of light will pass center of the curvature, then after the reflection it will going back through the same path. Now here I am taking this, ये जो रे ऑफ लाइट है ये आफ्टर द रिफ्लेक्शन सेम पाथ को फॉलो करके उसी पाथ पर रिटर्न आएगी. नाउ वी कैन चेक हियर द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग at this point, so we can say the image of object AB will be here A dash B dash. Now you can see here this is the image. Now you can check that the image is between focus of the convex mirror and the pole of the mirror. So there are only two cases. First case is when object at infinity, then the image of the object will form at the focus like a point image, and the next condition is that when the object between pole and infinity, then the image of this object will form between pole and focus of the convex mirror. Now totally image formation is completed. Now next heading is that mirror formula. Now next heading is mirror formula, and the next topic is also mirror formula. Now we are going to write the formula. Name mirror formula. Mirror formula we are not going to derivate this formula because in our syllabus there is no derivation, but we can directly write the formula. Formula is that 1 upon f that is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, where f equals to focus of the mirror, focus of the mirror, एंड इसी को हम लोग बोलेंगे फोकल लेंथ. फोकल लेंथ. नेक्स्ट वन थिंग इज वी, डिस्टेंस ऑफ इमेज फ्रॉम the pole of the mirror, pole of the mirror. Next u, that is the distance of object, distance of object from the pole of the mirror. Now there are three things. First one is focal length, second one is distance of image from the pole of the mirror, and next is u, denoted, which is subjected to denote the or represent the distance of object from the pole of the mirror. Now we are taking here a sign conventions for the mirror. Sign conventions for mirror. For mirror. Now suppose that there is a concave mirror and this is the principal axis. Now from pole of the mirror, draw a vertical line through the pole. Now in this condition, the principal axis of the mirror will lie, or we can suppose Now the pole of the mirror will lies at the origin of the quadrant. So ये पोल के डायरेक्शन, पोल के पॉइंट से थ्रू द पोल्स, if we are going left side, then all these values will be negative. That means left side to the pole on the principal axis the value should be negative, but right side to the pole on the principal axis all these values should be positive, but in the downward direction the value should be negative, and the upward direction all these values should be positive at vertical axis. So यहाँ से अपने को कुछ पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं. That points are: if object is situated some distance from the pole of the mirror, then the distance of the object should be negative. If the image of that object is formed left side to the pole, then the distance of the image should be negative. Otherwise, in case the image of the object is formed right side to the mirror, then the distance of the image should be positive. Now this is the formula, note that, and we are going to solve some examples like numericals based on concave mirror. First, suppose that question में ऐसा given है, there is a vehicle, and it has a side mirror. This, like कोई भी vehicle होगा तो उसका side mirror होता है. अब ये जो side mirror है, ये मैंने बोल दिया that is a concave mirror. The question is giving that this mirror is a concave mirror, and the focal length of this mirror is 15 centimeter. That means concave mirror है तो इसका जो focal length होगा वो क्या होगा, माइनस. And behind this vehicle, suppose that there is a 15 meter. Okay, focal length is 15 meter, and 30 meter behind this vehicle there is an object. There is an object. So find the distance of image which is formed through the concave mirror. So given values are f equal to minus 15 meter because this is the concave mirror. Next one is u, that means distance of an object from the pole of the mirror. So that is given 30 meter. Now remember that this value should be negative because the distance of an object from the mirror is always in negative, because the incident ray is coming on the mirror by the left side. हमेशा हम लोग जो u का u है, u की वैल्यू का मतलब क्या है, the distance of an object should be negative because always object is situated left side to the mirror. So according to the sign convention we can take the negative for the object. So there is a minus 30 meter. So find the distance of image. So we have the formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now 1 upon in place of focal length minus 15 meter, that is equal to 1 upon v, which we have to find. Now plus 1 upon u, the value of u is minus 30, so take minus 30. Okay, now 1 upon minus 15, that is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon 30. In this case, we can write it as 1 upon v, that is equal to 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon v, that is equal to, by the cross multiplication, 15 minus 30 upon 450. So इसको another way हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. ये वैल्यू जो है 1 upon v, that is equal to 15 minus 30, that means minus 15 upon 450. So minus 1 upon 30. The value of 1 upon v equal to 1 upon minus 30 meter, and now you can write v equals to minus 30 meter. Here we can check the value of v is negative, that means the image which is formed in the left side to the mirror. So आज का वीडियो लेक्चर बस इतना ही. Thank you.